2016 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, ABS four-wheel, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, fog lamps, passenger airbag, child safety locks, electronic stability control, power door locks, side head airbag. Your new ride is just a phone call away.